and welcome back to my channel. The kitchen is very busy today and I need a dinner in 15 minutes. There is a cake being baked. As you can see, I have got that recipe coming next week. Kids are at home because it's school holidays and my friends are visiting for some drinks tonight, but I need dinner before they arrive. So I'm going to make a very quick beetroot chickpea rice pulao ready in less than 30 minutes. Let's get cooking. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Okay, I am going to start by using some onions. So I'm going to thinly slice some onions first. I'm starting with 3 small medium-ish onions, and I am just going to very quickly thinly slice it to save me time and effort. Shouldn't take more than a few seconds. Nice hot pan. I am going to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and let it get hot. In the fridge, I have found some very dry looking curry leaves. So I am going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, then the curry leaves, and also a teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Just going to let them sizzle and release their flavors in the oil. Then I'm going to add the onions. I'm going to give this 8 to 10 minutes on low medium-ish heat. While the onions were cooking, I have found some very sad looking beetroot. I'm going to use 2 of these, peel it and then grate it. So I am not going to do it on my new board. I say new, I've had this for months now, but I'm still not chopping the beetroot on it yet. Not just yet. Right, just going to peel and grate it. This is turning out to be a nice and nutritious meal. Going to use the fat size of the grater. You might or might not know, but ginger is beautiful with beetroot. So I've got a nice inch of ginger, which I'm going to grate along here with the beetroot, but the finer side. This is looking lovely. I'm going to add the beetroot and ginger. Just going to give it 2 minutes and then look for something else in the fridge. Back to the fridge now. Hunt for something. I have found a packet of 12 beans from 14th of June. They should have been used, but honestly, never look at use by dates when it comes to fruit and veg, because you guys have eyes and nose, and some of them that don't look very good I'll remove, and I'm going to use a handful, chop it into half and add it to the beetroot. Now I'm going to give it 2 minutes, and in that 2 minutes I'm going to prep some rice to go in this. Kind of need some protein in this. This is all very healthy, delicious. So I've got a tin of beautifully fat chickpeas. They are actually from a jar, not a tin. That's a 500 grams of jar. That's the drained weight. And then in goes 300 grams, because I'm cooking for 4 people, 300 grams of rice, which I've washed. I'm going to add some spices and water. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of ground cumin, 600 ml of water, so double the rice, and that's the beetroot giving away its color. Oh my god, I can't wait for dinner. And now I'm gonna put a timer for 13 minutes. Actually, I'll put it for 15 on very low heat. I can have a quick coffee. Make sure you cover the lid and put the timer on. Oh, look at that. Once the timer goes off, turn this off and then just leave it to rest for 15 minutes. I'm not going to open for 15 minutes, and I'll show you after 15 minutes how it looks. Right guys, it's ready. I had to bring it out because the sun is shining. Right. It's been sitting for half an hour because I got on with the stuff. Smells great. A complete meal in itself. It's got vegetables, it's got protein, it's got rice. You can serve a dollop of yogurt with this, but you don't have to. It's only got, in terms of spice, ground spices, cumin. It doesn't need anything. It's got lovely ginger. So beautiful. Okay, just want to say that there were other things in the fridge, but I chose these because they would go together well, like beetroot chickpeas. Whereas I had some roast chicken left and I thought I should add it, and I thought no, it'll go better with the chickpeas, so I used the chin chickpeas. And this is just giving you an idea of what you can make a healthy meal for your family. So I hope you will try this. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you back here for another new recipe very soon. I really hope you'll try this particular combination because it's so good.